So my name's Richard Brooks. I'm Technical Director for Watts Polyurethane Products. I've been with the business for 20 years this week, and during that time I've had many roles within the business. The role that I carry out today encompasses the responsibility for all material selection, material development, product quality and materials quality, all the engineering aspects as you would expect, the new product development, whether that's an internal development or a customer supporting development. Tool room, we've got a tool room function as well in the business now, and the maintenance and all plant and equipment, machinery inspection. Obviously I don't do all of this myself. I've got a fantastic team of chemists, engineers, scientists working with me to help me achieve these goals. So when I first joined the business, I joined say 20 years ago this week, and I joined as a junior draftsman. A few years later I progressed to be chief draftsman, and from there I moved into a more technical manager's role. I had several years as a technical sales manager, which gave me some really good understanding of how to engage with customers and what customers actually wanted from a solution, and how to investigate their problems to understand, get to the kind of nub of the problem, to give them the solution that they were looking for. About 4 or 5 years ago, I was promoted to technical director. We had quite a small engineering and technical team at that time. It's now progressed and we've got 9 people working in the technical department. We look for any new development that we can do that could bring some benefit to the business. Well, I've lived in the Forest of Dean my whole life. It's quite a sad statement to make, but I love the area. You cannot go out and get sushi at 2 o'clock in the morning like you could in Bristol or London, but it is very nice with a young family just to have woodland on my doorstep, to be relatively safe. It's a relatively relaxed environment in the Forest of Dean, and yeah, you can let your kids go out and play quite happily. What do I like about working for the business? It's the variability. It's obviously my fantastic team and the rest of the people in the business. I love working for the variability and the customer, the chance to develop something completely new that brings a real customer benefit, that you can see from start to finish, and yeah, that's the thing that's probably the most exciting, when you find something that a customer's been looking for a solution for a long time, and we can crack it using polyurethane. Because polyurethane is such a versatile material that you can tailor it to suit a customer's needs, and because of the range of functions we've got within this business, whether it's the engineering team, whether it's the tool making, we've got an in-house function for almost everything. So yeah, with a young family, I've not got a lot of time to myself to do what I individually enjoy anymore. Saying that, I'm currently studying for my master's degree in business. My dissertation's due in 4 weeks, so there is very little time for individual things. That being said, what I'm hoping to get back to once my children are a little bit older, is to get back to mountain biking, downhill mountain biking, which I was a big fan of going back 5 or 6 years. And one of the main reasons I purchased the house that I live in today is because it's less than 1 mile from the top of a very well-known downhill track in the area. So I want to get back to doing that. Also fishing, which the Forest of Dean is renowned for with all the rivers we got. So one day, maybe when I'm a little bit older, get back into fishing again.